Good morning, class. This is GSS 3 Mathematics. GSS 3 Mathematics. The topic ahead of us is geometrical construction. When we are talking about geometrical construction, normally in secondary school level, we call it construction. They understood it to be construction. But the reason why geometry is being added because it involves construction of angles. Lines, you join lines together to form angles. So that is the reason why it is called geometrical construction. And when you are constructing angles, we have different categories of angles. As far as you have been taught right from primary school down to secondary school. Drawing of constructing of angles, we have angle 15 degree, angle 30 degree, angle 30 degree, angle 45 degree, 60 degree, 75, 90, and so on. And that is the reason why when you are in JSS 1 or thereabout, or in primary school, you have been taught types of angles, that we have 3 types of angle. You have been taught that we have acute angle, we have acute angles, we have obtuse angle, we have reflex angles, and another one which is, well, I can add it, which is right angle triangle. Right angle.
Sir, all this supplementary.
Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So specifically, this is the under types of angle. These 3 is being captured as specifically has been captured as types of angle. Acute angle, angle less than 90. Obtuse angle, angle greater than is greater than acute angle, but is greater than 90 but less than 180. That is obtuse. Reflex is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. Then we have right angle, angle on a straight right angle which is 90 degree, angle on a straight line which is 180 degree, angle at a point which is 360 degree. So, and we still have some other those are the basic things. So here you have to understand but everything, but the one we are going deeply as far as your class is concerned is the acute angles, and that is the reason why before you can lay your hands on some things that you will need, you have to get understanding on some things. Firstly, hint about how you are going to go about with geometry construction. The first hint is get your notebook ready and prepare a table. Sit down on the table as somebody so that you can quickly understand and get things right and do the right and everything needful. Then secondly is your mathematical set. Mathematical set should be in place, and I believe most of you've seen mathematical set before. This is an example of mathematical set, and inside the mathematical set we have protractor. Protractor like this, you will need it so much. You will need it so much. This is protractor. You will need protractor. Then you will need protractor. This is protractor. This is a square. This is divider. This is divider. Your pencil, your eraser, and your ruler. Those everything are inside your math set. And if you want to go into it, there are 4 major parts which are part of those things inside mathematical set. 4 major things that you need to 4 major things, major equipment and major instruments to use. There are 4. There are 5. 1, your notebook, very compulsory or exercisable. Number 2, under it. Number 2, you have your pencil. You have your HB pencil. So it is not expected of you to use 2B. 2B is more thicker than HB. HB is lighter. 2B, and for you to get right or get accurate answer under construction, you have to, your line must be thin. It mustn't be thick like this. Something like this is wrong. But if you want to draw, it must be once and very thin. Once. So for you to get it right, you have to use your HB pencil. So HB pencil, apart from HB pencil, another thing that you will use there, the third thing you will use there is your ruler. But I will advise let it be long ruler and sharp. Those ones that the numbers can show properly so that you can get your accurate answer. And the fourth thing is your eraser. The eraser, the one that is very good, not the one that you will clean and return to black. So with it, you will, for these four major instruments, you'll be able to get it right. Now, after getting everything available, then you can now move on to, before we quickly go to construction fully, you have to understand the basic thing. One of the basic things is, have the idea of drawing of angles with your pencil. Get your pencil ready. Now, you use your pencil and your ruler. Everybody bring out your ruler and your pencil. Sharpened one. Sharpened. Let that pencil be okay. You sharpen it very well. Now, draw this line. Draw the following lines. This is line. All these lines, they are acute angles, less than 90 degrees. So I want you to use your hand and your ruler to draw them. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. So I want you to draw it yourself. Make use of your ruler and your pencil. Draw it within some few minutes. So draw it. Then after that, after you're able to draw it and get it right, then we have another one. I'll now move on to right angle triangle. This is right angle. This with this shape. Because of this sign, that's the reason why we call it right angle. You can face this side as well with this sign. So all these things you are going to come across it when you go fully into construction. So are you done? So if you have the basic understanding of all these things, it will be easier to quickly get to understand what we call geometric construction. Then apart from that, and there is one basic understanding or one thing I want you to understand, and that is how you can identify a particular line place in under construction. For example, you are asked to draw something like this line, this triangle. Now, this is A, this is B, while this is C. A, B, C. Now, under construction, it is expected of you to know how to make use of your ruler and your pencil. You can ask to draw from line A, this to B, maybe 5 centimeters. That is where you make use of your ruler. You measure. Your ruler starts from a 0, and that is the reason why you make use of your ruler. Me are looking at this. We have centimeter, we have inches, but you are going to use centimeter. Look at this centimeter. You are asked to maybe this line AB. Draw a line AB. Let's say AB is 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter, and AB 5 centimeter. Draw the line AB 5 centimeter. BC maybe 10 centimeter, and AC is 15 centimeter. So how are you going to do it to get it clearer and understandable? Now you measure your ABC. this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, 2. That is to tell us from this 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. 1 to 2, 2 centimeter. 3. So that's how you read it. So if you want to measure 5, you draw the line, because this is your A. Do your A, put a dot here. When you put a dot there, put it on 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. You draw. It might not be bigger here because this is on the board. But if it is on your exercise book, it will be more bigger. Okay. Let me say this one 15, this one 10, this one 25. So if this is, that means your 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Your 15 is in here. That is AB. So after that, then your BC, which is like this, your BC 10. You put from on the dot to where 10 is. Let me see, something like this, 10. Something like this, 10. You draw the line, 10. This is your 10, which is your C. And your this definitely will be 25. Will be 25. Will be 25. So this, that means will be 25. That means this will not be your C. So you can, so with it, you have to get the understanding of how to use ruler when you are talking about geometric construction. You have to understand the using of ruler. So with that, you'll be able to understand using of ruler. Then another thing that I want you to understand before we go into construction fully is you have to understand how to make use of, how to fix your protractor. You have to understand this is your protractor. This is your protractor. So this is your protractor. You put pencil. You put pencil. You put pencil inside your protractor. This is how to fix it. This is protractor. Put pencil. You lose this. Fix it like this. So now you make sure this and this, they are the same. Let it be the same. So once they are the same, put your screw. Put your screw there. So now you tie it. So after tying it, then you will be able to use it. If you are asked to draw angle, so if you want to draw angle, you hold it by this side, so that if you draw, your hand will be free like this. Your hand will be free. So if your hand is free, it will be easier for you to quickly get it right. Now let's quickly do some, go to some practical aspect, drawing of now. So after learning how to copy, then drawing of angles. You draw of the angles. Now we want to go into drawing of angles. Which angle? Let's start with angle 60. A line. We want to draw a line. So if you want to do it, put it like this. So when you do it like this, when you do it like this. After that, then you put this angle 60. So angle 60, put your this thing on this, but because this is broad, it won't be easier for me to do it. But let me see, maybe I can try without using pencil. Let me see. So this angle, you put it here like this, closer. You put it here at the extreme end like this. Because it is angle 60. Put it at the extreme like this. Do a cut off line. Cut line. So when you cut line, come to this side also, the same length, put it here. Put it at the extreme, cut a line, bring it here, you cut that line. Now when you put it here, you cut the line, put it here again, you cut it. Where two of them meet, this is where they meet. Then take a ruler, rule it, just one line from here like this, from that place down to this point. So this is what we call 60 degree. Now one thing that will make you to quickly understand, to verify, you can bring out your protractor. If you bring out your protractor to measure it, you will see that you will get 60 degree from it. Exactly, you get 60 degree. And if it is 30, it's easier. It's just half of 60. If it is 30, what you do is you put it here, the same thing. Just you can put from here to here, the same point, put it here, or at the extreme like this. Cut it like this, put it here, cut it also. When you cut it, then divide it from this angle to this place. Cut it. So by the time you cut it, so this is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. That is how to get 30 degree, and that is where we are going to stop for today. So the next class we are going to continue in order. We still have construction of 15 degree. So I want you to, the assignment that I'm going to give you, assignment. Now, based on what I've taught you now, I want you to go and construct angle 15 degree. That's number one. Angle 15 degree. That means the way I did to angle 60 to divide into 2, go and do it to angle 30 to divide it into 2. And from angle 15, I want you to go and construct it. And if it is possible, you can construct it, and you can construct it, snapshot it to my private line, so I will be able to know that you get it right and you understand. Do angle 15 degree, angle 15 degree, angle 45 degree. Let me test your intelligence. And the third one, just 3. The third one, I want you to try angle 75 degree. So from there, that's where we're going to continue the next class. So go through it, take your notes and jot all these things. You practicalize it yourself, you get a better understanding. So I wish you the same. Stay safe till we meet next time. Good day.